Hello, beautiful people. The blood test indicating you have high cholesterol is almost always followed by a warning from your doctor to cut out the fried foods and get some exercise. You may even get a prescription for cholesterol-lowering medication. However, while those cheeseburgers and fried chicken are almost always to blame for your high cholesterol levels, your drinking habits also play a huge role in negatively affecting your cholesterol numbers. This is why it's important to keep these drinks that cause high cholesterol in mind if you're trying to lower your numbers. For a snapshot of the worst drinks that cause high cholesterol, continue to watch. 1. Milkshakes. Eating a lot of saturated fat can increase the amount of LDL cholesterol in your blood and decrease the good HDL cholesterol. The effect happens immediately, even after just one high-fat indulgence, like a milkshake, according to a 2017 study published in the journal Laboratory Investigation. Scientists at the Medical College of Georgia, MCG, at Augusta University gave 10 healthy men either a milkshake made with whole milk, heavy whipping cream, an ice cream containing 80 grams of fat and 1,000 calories, or a cereal meal of 1,000 calories. 4 hours after the meal, researchers gave blood tests and checked the subjects' endothelial function, that is, the flexibility of their blood vessels. Only the milkshake drinkers' total cholesterol, triglycerides, and fatty acids were significantly elevated, and their blood vessel tests showed reduced endothelial function. 2. Soda and sugary beverages. Sugar-sweetened drinks like soda, fruit drinks with added sugars, sweet teas, and others affect your blood cholesterol, too. What may come as a surprise is just how little it takes to make a negative impact. When you look at the science, it's likely considered one of the worst drinks that cause high cholesterol. A 2020 study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association analyzed data for more than 6,000 people over a 12-year period and determined that adults who drank one or more sugary beverages every day had a greater risk of developing high cholesterol. Specifically, the study found that regular drinkers of sugar-sweetened beverages had a 98% higher chance of developing low HDL, the good cholesterol that helps rid the blood of LDL bad cholesterol, and a 53% greater chance of having high triglycerides, a type of blood fat that's unhealthy at high levels. The study shows strong evidence that consuming too much sugar impacts your cholesterol levels. 3. French press coffee and espresso. Don't worry. Not all coffee is associated with increased cholesterol levels. It depends on how it's brewed. A potent cholesterol-raising compound called caffeine is found in the highest levels in boiled coffees like French press coffee and espresso. Decaffeination doesn't reduce caffeine, however, the compound is removed by paper coffee filters. Report researchers from the Netherlands and Baylor College of Medicine in Texas in a 2007 study published in Molecular Endocrinology. Scientists say caffeine raises cholesterol by disrupting a receptor in the intestinal tract that regulates lipoproteins. However, in order for it to have any negative effects on your body, you would need to consume 5 to 8 cups of unfiltered coffee a day to raise your bad LDL cholesterol, according to Harvard Health. 4. Coconut oil smoothies. The trendy satiating superfood that's often added to smoothies and coffee is high in saturated fat. Just 1 tablespoon contains 12 grams of the cholesterol-raising stuff. A 2020 meta-analysis of clinical trials in circulation suggests that consumption of coconut oil for 2 weeks can raise LDL cholesterol by 10.5 milligrams per deciliter when compared with non-tropical vegetable oils. Reducing the high carbohydrate content of your smoothies can help too. 5. Alcohol. You've no doubt heard that having a glass of wine now and then can help raise your good HDL cholesterol levels. But that's no reason to start drinking. Consuming more than the recommended 1 drink per day for women and 2 for men can negatively affect heart health. Alcohol is known to increase triglycerides, a type of blood fat like cholesterol. And studies clearly show that heavy drinking, especially occasional bouts of heavy drinking, significantly impacts blood fat ratios and is associated with cardiovascular disease. Want to avoid a double shot of heart trouble? Just say no to this increasingly popular cocktail, bacon-infused bourbon, which can raise triglycerides and LDL cholesterol. Thanks for watching today's video. If you find this video helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe for more videos. Bye and see you in the next video.